Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can find and use Surreal style effect in the Capcut apps. So first open the Capcut apps and tap on your project. Select your photo or image because this style for image only. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so just click add and just click on the clip and select style button. Swipe to the right until you find style. Just click on it, and here you can find the Surreal. Just click on it to apply the effect. Oh, oops. Okay, I'm going to open another project and just click on the clip and select this style. Select Surreal, and there we go. So this is the final result. So here there will automatically be an animal video that looks real. So and this will be random for the animal and it's like real. So yeah, you can try it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Bye.